At ISMILE, early numeracy begins long before babies can count. Through touching, grasping, and exploring in sensory-rich play, they start discovering how the world works. When a ball rolls after a gentle push, or a block falls from a tall tower, they are learning cause and effect, their very first equation. Toddlers discover math through their senses, exploring space, shapes, colors, and the richness of the world around them. When children build, measure, and compare, they are not just learning size and shape. They are discovering early math, noticing differences, and understanding relationships. On the light table, numbers glow to life. Children match pebbles, seeds, and nature counters to numerals, discovering one-to-one correspondence. In the ISMILE classroom, math opens a wide horizon, felt, seen, and built through wonder. As children grow into Kindergarten 1, they are ready for deeper challenges. Montessori number beads invite them to connect numerals with real quantities. This careful matching is more than counting. It builds high-level thinking, precision, and growing mathematical confidence. In discovering time, they watch how shadows shift with the sun, noticing rhythm, change, and the natural patterns that make math come alive. In Kindergarten 2, math comes alive through real experiences, from measuring ingredients in cooking to exploring buying and selling, and using number sense in everyday situations. At ISMILE, math is more than numbers. It's problem solving, critical thinking, and real-world learning.
Math is fun because I get to build it, count it, and solve it.